Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be live today, Sunday, September the 3rd, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And today we have a variety of topics to talk about, some events that are coming up very soon as well that we want to remind you of and make you aware of. And we're just going to show you what we've been working on and what other things have been going on in our life. And of course, we're going to talk about things that have been happening lately in Canadian politics, like we're being overrun by refugees, like scandal in the provincial government, like, well, just like a whole lot of things that are happening. So we'll talk about all of that, and I'm sure we'll talk about a lot of other things because you, as our audience, will definitely give us some ideas to talk about in the chat today. So come along. If you've never been a part of one of our lives, now's the time to do it. We welcome all new people to it, and of course all of our regulars, and it should be a great time. So I hope you can join us today, Sunday, September the 3rd, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye-bye.